All right, now to wrap up, it says the final cost in dollars to buy robotic kits for the science club can be found by using the function C equals 49.85 n plus 7.95, where n is the number of kits purchased. They want to purchase at least 8 kits, but no more than 12 kits. What is the domain of the function for this situation? All right. Remember, n is in the x place, right? And we remember that x is domain. And it said n is the number of kits purchased. The next sentence says they want to purchase at least 8, no more than 12. So they want between 8 to 12 kits. Well, can we count the number of kits? 1, 2, 3. Yes, we can. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. F is the domain. It says to answer the problem, use the graph to the right. Is this graph discrete or continuous? Well, the points are not connected, so it's discrete. What's the domain? Remember, we list the domain when it's discrete. So the domain is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And the range is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does the graph represent a function? Absolutely. Right? It passes the vertical line test, right? It does not cross any of the vertical lines more than once. A student lives 3 miles from the library. He is riding his bike to the library. The distance he has remaining y is a function of how long he has been riding his bike. What is the range? All right. A student lives 3 miles from the library. He is riding his bike to the library. The distance he is riding, y, is a function of how long he has been riding his bike. All right. So y is the distance, right? 3 miles is how far he has to go, right? And once he gets to the library, that's 0 miles to go. So it's from 0 to 3 miles, right? That's the range. And less than or equal to. That's our answer. A function takes an input of the number of hours a car is parked in a parking garage and produces an output of the charge for parking in cents. What is the range? And it says, and produces an output of the charge for parking in cents. So we know what our range represents, right? Charge for parking. All right, and our answer choices say all integers. Integers is positive and negative. Well, basically whole numbers and their opposites. So that's not going to really work because negative numbers can't be money, right? All real numbers is not it because negative numbers are included. Non-negative integers, that's just like whole numbers, right? But it could be, 20 cents, 25 cents. So let's say J instead of H, because H has to be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas J could be 1, 1.5, 1.25. So J is going to be our answer there. Almost done. It says if f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 3, what is the value of f of x when x is 6? So basically for x, plug in 6 wherever we see x. So that becomes 6 squared plus 2 times 6 plus 3. Plug that in your calculator. Remember, it'll be your best friend. So that's 36 plus 12 plus 3. So that's 48 plus 3, which is 51. All right. Last one. It says a set of weights include 4-pound barbell and 6 pairs of weight plates. Each pair of plates weighs 20 pounds. If X pairs of plates are added to the barbell, the total weight of the barbell in plates and pounds can be represented by f of x equals 20x plus 4. What is the range of the function for this situation? All right, so basically, we already know the pairs is 6 pairs, right? And that's the domain, right, is the pairs. So if we have no pairs, the barbell is 4 pounds. That's the first output. If we plug in 1 here, then that leaves us with 24 pounds, right? We put on another plate or 2 plates, 2 sets of plates. Then we add 20 more pounds, so that's 44, right? Add on another set, that's 64, all right? And then, so just based off of what we're doing here, right? Which is the answer? Right, B. And we're done.